Would you What's up, my fellow musicians? It's Kirby, and today I'm going to demo for you the Alesis SamplePad Pro. So real quick, I will give you a rundown of what's on the interface. You can see here, we've got an SD card slot, so you can add more sounds. You got your main volume, a headphone volume. There's our little LED screen and the controls attached to it. You can see there's 6 large pads, and then we've got 2 pads up top. They're usually programmed to be like a ride cymbal or some other cymbal. And then on the back, you can see all of the ins and outs. All right, we've got the main volume level and aux in, the power button, power in. We've got some switches here for a kick or a hi-hat foot switch. So that's really cool. You can extend your SamplePad Pro and make it a much more complicated drum machine. And then you've got the RCA main outs. And I'm sorry, actually these are 1/4 inch. Got the 1/4 inch main outs and MIDI in and out, which is awesome because MIDI is awesome. And if you don't know about MIDI, you need to learn more about MIDI. Let's go ahead and turn it on real quick. You can see the little LED screen booting up. We'll navigate through the menu here. Press this button to navigate through the menu. Some of the kits, you got acoustic, funk, jazz brushes, a rock kit, 1988, 1984, an FX mix, marimbas, Indians, you got some world stuff, general percussion type stuff. So, it comes with a few basic kits, and then you customize it and extend that out based on your sound preferences. And now that you're a little bit more acquainted with the Alesis SamplePad Pro, let's see what it can do. Yeah, one thing I find really good about this SamplePad Pro actually is its hi-hat sensitivity is fairly accurate, especially for one of these harder pads. You can detail stuff with kick pedals that you can't get with an actual kick pedal. You're doing the kick with your stick, so you can get rolls. Anything you can do to make your production unique, it helps make you stand out because, there's a lot of music out there and everyone's trying to do the same genres. So, again, another selling point of the Alesis SamplePad Pro. Plus, you got these LED lights. People love stuff that makes sounds and lights up. So I've seen videos go viral just because something is making drum sounds and lighting up, and it's like probably just pre-programmed to do it. Like the person making the video or playing it isn't even good. So once again, guys, that's just a really quick overview of the Alesis SamplePad Pro. I'm Kirby, and if you like this video, go ahead and hit that button in the lower right-hand corner and subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be doing all kinds of gear reviews, studio production, recording studio type stuff. I have talented musicians and industry professionals in and out of my studio day in and day out. So keep making awesome music and shout out to Alesis for making this awesome product. Cheers, guys.